have a gun. No. But then you kind of snitch yourself out if you did, right?
I have there's pepper spray in there, but I'm fine. These guys wanted this kind of response, guys. That's how it goes. There's 13, 14 units here. They don't like the fact that I'm recording.
Why?
What?
Well, so is he the one that was saying that he was going to call the media?
I think these people are mad that he's recording for some reason.
Okay.
Which one called so there's a gun?
None of them are saying it.
Hey, find out who it was because there needs to be some problems.
It wasn't me.
Well, we're gonna have to figure that out.
That's fine. That's fine. I'm not going anywhere. Nobody passed it. I have no reason to go anywhere.
No, they called right. What female is calling? We need to speak to her right now because she lied to us, and that's a big issue. So find out what female inside your guys' business called us.
I'm sure there's not many working right now, so let's go figure it out.
Go ahead.
Go ahead.
This is ridiculous. Just call the police and said someone had a gun. Okay, well, we need you to come outside and talk to us. Because no one said, everyone out here saying that nobody said he had a gun, and that's a very serious
I
accusation.
know. It looked like he had a gun in his back pocket. That's why I was terrified when I called.
Someone said he has a gun.
I said, it looks like he has a gun in his back pocket. They said, where is it? I said, it looks like it's in his back pocket. And they said, what color is it? And I said,
why
black.
are you calling in the first place? Because he says he's just out here recording. So what's the issue?
What do you mean, what's the issue?
So how did this whole thing present itself that we're calling the police to say someone has a gun who has no gun?
He's been out here. He was taking video and pictures of the school kids. And then my owner went out and he started trying to incite the owner. And then our other gentleman went out with him, Shamir. And so I brought my dog out here to go pee, and the man turned around and I saw something in his back pocket. And it scared the hell out of me, and I came in right away and I called the police. I said, it looks like he has a weapon in his back pocket. And then somebody said, it looked like he had something in his bag. So I hope you guys searched his bag. But
yeah, we did, but you called and reported that he had a gun.
I said it looked like
Okay.
he had a gun.
So
I don't know for a fact
he's
that
out
he
on
does.
the sidewalk recording the business, so he's on the sidewalk, not on your business property.
Correct.
So he has a right to be there. He has a right
Correct.
to
He's
record.
not trespassing. But when I saw it look like he had something in his back pocket, that terrified me.
Okay, do you have your ID on you?
I don't. It's in the office.
I can
Give
run her
you my
out.
name and my number.
I can run her out if you want.
Okay.
What's your last name, ma'am?
First name Barbara.
So hold on. ATA.
Uh-huh.
How do I pronounce that?
Yes.
And then first name. Date of birth.
Does he have a weapon?
Now,
Yep.
my problem too with this whole situation is you're the one calling is why are you hanging up on our phone?
I was coming out here to see what was going on.
Okay, Sam, everything, I understand if you thought he had a weapon, I'm fine with that. But what you did, he doesn't have a weapon.
Oh, thank God.
No, it's not.
Control 56, I'm one. Clear to run a party.
I was there to watch what was going on.
561, last of be Boy Adam Robert Boy Adam Robert Adam. Date of birth.
Right. I just told them, please get someone out here immediately. It looks
And
like
we read what you guys told them. It wasn't that. You said, yes, he has a gun, and he has a gun. Yes, he does, and he placed it in his bag. I just saw him place it in his
I
bag.
did not say any of that.
Can I just add something real
Sure.
quick?
None of that.
So since he started out here, we've been getting phone calls nonstop in here, and death threats and everything else, nonstop. So I don't know. I
Nonstop.
can't say that
600
they are,
calls.
but I'm just saying maybe someone from whatever he's affiliated with, maybe they're calling and agitating as well. I don't know.
That's fine. My point is to say, yes, I see a gun is a big deal.
I did
No,
not
we
say that.
understand
There's
that,
a
but
school right there.
I'm just adding that to it because I don't know if that could be the case or not.
Sounds good. Thank you.
I'm glad he didn't have a gun.
Yeah.
It is what Minkle. It is what it is at this point. So I mean, I don't think we need anything else right now.
Thank you for coming out.
Just advise if you need more units. I'm trying to raise you on the radio.
5-6 someone. Go ahead. Temple.
5, 6, 7.
Oh, 5-6 someone.
So many things going on, right?
Yeah.
She doesn't know who's stopping what.
Okay.
It only works when we do it when they have a head in it. Well, I got. And they're gonna do something. But I got weeded by.
What are we looking for?
Black camera. Black camera. 6 by 2 inches. This is bigger than our body worn camera is. But I guess the guy
He
broke
had it on
off.
his, like similar to what he had that.
Yeah, he said it's bigger than that. He said the guy broke it off and threw it in this direction. He didn't want to come look for it because he didn't want to go onto their property.
Found it.
Where?
Is it that Sony one?
Hold on. Good eye, folks.
I'll go around.
Hold on.
Can't go that way. There's like overgrown unless you want to.
Yeah, that's probably what it is. Excuse me, sir. What was the brand? Okay.
Oh, fuck, are we gonna get over there?
Are we gonna?
I can.
I'll get it. I'll get it. I'm just gonna go through the bush. But
I'm gonna tear your.
Uniform.
no, I'm gonna.
Maybe someone smaller that could, like.
I can put it that way.
Do you have a camera on them so we can take pictures of where it is?
I have my cell phone.
Okay. No, hold on. We're at. Oh yeah. Or he's gonna grab a picture.
You're gonna take a picture of it?
Yeah, you want to hand me your phone?
Yep. I don't know how to work this one.
And then if we can just take one from
This side?
this side, and then let's take one from the sidewalk too, just to show how
Okay.
far it was thrown. Yeah, back up a little bit so you can get it. Wherever that you can see it on the camera through the bush.
Can't really pick it up. Kinda, right here.
Okay.
You can't. Hold on. I think you can see it here.
Yeah, as long as.
I don't even know.
Yeah, it works. You're not gonna get a good picture.
Oh yeah, it's here. You can see it.
Oh, perfect.
Pick it up for me.
Hold on. And you want one from over here?
Yeah, like an overview.
There you go.
That's wait, yeah, that's it.
That was too many cameras back there.
Jeez, yeah, I think that's all.
Hey, I'm sorry. Let's go back over the car.
Yeah, everybody.
The whole party?
Just curious what you're working on.
I was checking out their crane.
Are they back there?
Yeah, if you go on the driveway.
I was gonna just sit on the car. Yeah.
He's live. Or whatever it is.
Oh, is he?
Yeah. We're taking pictures, huh?
Yeah, just of the damage. I wonder if yours is the same. I know mine like has one at the corner.
Okay.
And you can just slide up from the home screen.
Like that?
Yeah.
Or
No,
let
just
me
start.
get another one. Thanks for going back there and getting it.
Seemed fun.
Okay. What do you think? Like that?
Yeah, that's fine. As long as you can see, like,
So I'm gonna have to upload this to evidence.com?
yeah, you do it on the Axon app,
Okay.
and then you just hit import,
Okay.
and then you put in the case number, like the P
Yeah.
to whatever, and then it should just be under general crimes,
Okay.
and then it will bring you to another screen, hit select all, then just hit import.
So Axon, and then go to, you said upload?
It should say import, I believe.
Import? Okay.
All the way at the bottom.
And then case number with the P?
Yeah, put the P22047 whatever that last one was.
Okay. And then,
Select your images, and then it will bring you to another screen, and then it will then hit select all, then hit import, and then it will start uploading them. And then make sure you just select like general crimes, or unless there's like a better one that better fits it. There's a whole bunch of selections.
okay.
Just look through them, but general crimes usually works.
Thank you.
So, yeah, no
Yep.
problem.
Yep.
Can you take pictures of the dam? And there's a scratch on this phone case too. I'm just going to document all the damage.
Okay.
Thank you. Through that, we're working on it.
It's just that top part right here where the broken plastic is, you can kind of see.
And sorry, you said just the case has scratches? Or
Just the case, yeah. The phone's working fine, and
It's not just the case.
yeah, it's not like upon the rough view of it, I can't see.
Yeah. And you're saying as you knocked off the Sony camera, you broke a piece of the mount as well?
Yeah.
Okay.
Hmm?
They go overall.
Okay. Let me just, hold on. This one's blurry. Okay.
You go, sir.
Thank you.
And what else am I taking in the case? What did he say? What else was damaged, sir?
You can take a photo
The
of
mount and the camera.
You said you had some scratch on the back of the phone, but you get
Yeah,
scared a little.
Okay.
wanna. Just some rough scratches.
I mean,
Crazy.
Vega, is this good? Because I can't see anything.
Oh, here, get it from this angle.
Yeah, as long as
Maybe
you
in the sun.
get a better angle.
I don't even know if there's anything really to.
Yeah, we'll just document it that way. It's in there.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Can you come
How much do the cameras worth?
I haven't. Yeah. 350, 400 for everything, including the SD card.
For everything? The SD card is broken on the...
It's in there. I'm not sure if it's broke. I can't, can't tell them now.
Okay, I'll let him know that you're still free.
Yeah.
You get over here, you got your pictures?
Yep.
We'll upload them later.
Okay. I stay on, right? Until we're done with.
Go ahead.